Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here with another video. Three more entries to my challenge. I got it this weekend and I only had a chance to do it. Well, I I did it once before. I filmed it and it didn't work out. So I'm doing it now. So my first entry came on Friday and it was from Sharon, who is simply Sharon Crafts here on YouTube, and I'll have her link down below. Look at this pretty card. I love this paper, and she punched the edge, and I love this color. It's gray and teal and this crinkled seam binding. It's very pretty, Sharon. It says, hi Tereese, hope this finds you well. I had fun joining your challenge. You've got so many pretty IC cards. It's amazing how different each one is. Have a great summer. Blessings, Sharon. Thank you, Sharon, for entering. And she gave me this beautiful IC card, and we're gonna bring it up there so you guys can see it better. She has some beautiful butterflies, this pretty paper. She even has some lace on here with some pretty flowers and some leaves, some enamel dots, a ribbon with another flower and pearls, and it says be in the moment. So pretty. I think there's a doily. I think there's a doily back there. So pretty. I love it, Sharon. So Sharon is in Texas. Her YouTube channel is simply Sharon Crafts. Her birthday is October 14th, I want to say. Her favorite colors are fall colors, but love all colors. Favorite crafting items is die cuts, punches, and trims. And um, I love it. I couldn't see it the first time, but this is her entry. How pretty is that? I love it. Okay, so that is Sharon's entry. Then I got another entry from Nida, who's Nida Creations here on YouTube. And she sent me some goodies, which you did not have to do, Nida. But oh, this is from Sharon. Oh my gosh, I mixed it up with Nida's. Yeah, Sharon gave me some pretty buttons and some lace, sorry, ribbon bows. So thank you, Sharon, for your little gift. I know that was from you. I think this was together. Oh geez. Okay, so this came from Nida, and she made some beautiful flowers. Oh my God, this center is gorgeous. I love the color and the material. Look at these pretty ones here. How pretty. Okay, so she gave me that. Now, Nida, you were supposed to make me a 4x6 card, not a memory dex card. But I love it. It's so pretty. I love this image that you added. A beautiful butterfly with some pearls on there and some appliques. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So Nida. Okay, so Nida gave me all these goodies. Okay, so this is her memory dex card, which it was supposed to be an index card and 4x6 index card. Um, so I don't know what happened there. Mistakes happen, but I love it though. I love it. I love it. She gave me some die cut of flowers and butterflies. Oh my gosh. I don't have this punch. I think this is a punch. I think these are punches as well. Oh my gosh. And then she gave me some trim and clothespins. I love these trims. These trims are so pretty. So thank you so much, Nida. And then she gave me some cards, which there's a beautiful mermaid on this one. And I never got into the mermaid craze or even the unicorn craze, even though I did buy some unicorn stuff. So I love that. I love the paper. So thank you, Nida, for your cards. And this was in this bag that I had taken out. And then she has a lace pocket in the back with a little card and another image. So cute. Now this woman does not have a lot of supplies, but you know what? I think she can do, or she could have nothing and she can make something so beautiful. You know what I'm saying? So she had these appliques, flowers. These look like Hobby Lobby flowers, and some pearls. And then she punched. I want to say it's punched out in the background. Let me show you up close. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so here's Nida's information. Okay, Nida's from Puerto Rico. She's here in the United States visiting her sons and daughter. I think she has 2 sons and 1 daughter. I'm not sure. Her birthday is October 3rd. Her favorite colors are silver, white, pink, and turquoise. Her crafting style is vintage and shabby chic. But I like and do any style. Oh, thank you, Nida. Thank you so much. I'll have everybody's links down below. Look at that card. It's amazing. So thank you, Nida. I appreciate that, even though it was supposed to be a 4x6 card. Okay. So that entry was from Nida. Okay. And then my third entry is from Tina Muhammad, who is oh my gosh, I forget her YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. Tina, you weren't supposed to be giving me anything. I'll have her link down below. I think it's Starting Over. Is it? Oh my gosh. I'll have her link down below, guys, so you guys can go check. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is not a 6x9. I'm confused. Okay, I know these are goodies, and I'll do them in a few minutes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at this. It's all wrapped up. This is not a 6x9. So something's, where is the card? So here's some gemstones. Here is the card. Oh my God. Okay, oh my God. Starting Over. See, I knew it. Hi, Tereese. I hope all is well. Please enjoy what all made for you. What I made for you and my entry. If I'm late, I do understand. Remember to keep crafting. Hugs, Tina. Tina, you're not late. You're in time, my dear. But this does not look like a 4x6 card. Look at this pretty trim. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. She gave me some of this beautiful trim. I do not own anything like this. That is going there. Here is her entry. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these dangles. How pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is from Tina Muhammad, Starting Over. I love it, Tina. Oh my God, it is. The adventure will be forever in my thoughts, as my mind can never break free from the journey.
Oh, how cool is that? So pretty. She has purple trim with this white dangle. It's gorgeous, Tina. Thank you so much. I was like, this is too big to be my entry. But I know you made me something else. Oh my gosh. And I just dropped Nida's card. Okay, there's Nida's. Okay, so let me see what this is. Oh my gosh.
Tina, you are crazy, girl. Oh, oh my God. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, Tina. Oh my gosh. She made me. Oh my. I don't know what it is until I really look at it. Oh, oh my. Oh, oh my God. OMG. Oh, Miss T Friday 77. Oh my gosh, this is it looks like a wooden plaque. Look how big this thing is. Look at it though. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have this as my sign or something. Oh my, I know I have a sign for my door that Joe Paper Drama made for me, and I have it somewhere. I don't remember where I put it, but I need to bring it out. It's gorgeous, as well as this. Look at this. Look at all the texture, and all these pieces are, oh my God. I'm I'm speechless, Tina. Wow. You did an absolutely amazing job. I love these gears, and look at the clock. Here's a birdie with a flower. And I love these hearts that looks like a steampunk heart. It's so pretty. Look at all this stuff. I'm gonna have to hang it somewhere. Oh my God. This would have been, oh my gosh, Tina, you made this for me. I'm so honored. I'm shocked. I'm so shocked right now. Oh my gosh, oh my God. She gave me some beautiful, this is like leopard print trim. I've never seen this before. How cool. So she gave me some of that. She gave me some stickers. Oh, these are so cool. Oh, I love them. I'm so shocked right now. She gave me some spare parts, diamond hearts and diamonds. How pretty. Thank you, Tina. You didn't have to send me anything, girl. Some purple bling. So cute. She gave me these stickers. These are awesome. I keep wanting to buy some stickers for 4th of July, and these would be perfect. Thank you. And then these pockets for use these as oh my gosh, she gave me a whole pack. Oh my God. She gave me a whole pack. Oh my goodness. Oh, so oh my gosh, Tina, I'm floored. I'm so honored to get one of your beautiful pieces. This is amazing. I'm speechless, and I love everybody's entries to my challenge. There is still one more day, so if you have sent yours in and it's postmarked before the 19th, I will do a video and have it in my drawing. So thank you, ladies, for your awesome, awesome creations. I'm so floored with everybody entering into my challenge. I'm so honored in each and every one of you. I've always wanted to do one of these, and I'm so blessed to have so many entries. Thank you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.